Hi, this is Martin Smith with SDVoE. I'm here with Brent Tremblay from IDK, and we're talking about InfoComm. Coming up, we have some really exciting demos at the SDVoE booth, and IDK has one of those demos. This is a product that, if I understand it, is for conference rooms. And if I understand the demo properly, Brent, this will be a link from the IDK booth to the SDVoE booth at the show.
Yes, I believe that's going to be the plan. We kind of demoed that at ISE earlier this year, and it was a really good success, and I think really demonstrated what the product can do and shows it off very well. So we're going to do that again at InfoComm, so any of our attendees can see that demo as well.
Really cool. Okay. Well, often we talk about the powers of 10 or the power of 10 for SDVoE, and one of those powers is uncompromised or no compromise USB-C with video. And so you're using SDVoE to send a USB 2.0 signal along with video in a new product that you have. Can you tell us about that new product?
Yeah, so the product that we're going to be releasing this summer, right around InfoComm time actually, is it's a transmitter receiver set, of course, based on SDVoE for the video transport. And it's really designed for, like you said, the conference room, specifically an MTR or a Zoom room running on Windows, having a Windows PC in the room. And what these products do is allow you to extend from the table location or podium or wherever the presenter might be presenting from, and it's an auto switcher, so they'll have USB-C, of course, with 60-watt power delivery, and then they'll also have HDMI and USB-B. If their device doesn't have USB-C, they can still plug into it. And then what the receiver side does is connects and actually outputs to the MTR, the Zoom PC, as the content ingest. And we also are monitoring the call status of that PC. So this was really the key thing on what we heard a lot of feedback on when we were in the development of this product, was to be able to maintain the host peripherals at the MTR. So that's what our solution does. As soon as a user initiates a call from the touch panel, that will immediately bring all the peripherals back to the MTR and make sure that the audio, speakers, video, camera, video, all that stuff stays with the MTR and with the room and doesn't get switched to the user's device, which is what happens currently with some of the other products that are on the market today.
Right.
So that's what our solution will offer.
That sounds really interesting. I know you are working really closely with some of the bigger integrators, systems integrators out there. So is this a product where you've listened to their feedback and created it based on what they need?
Yeah, it's really been driven from them. We really wanted to understand, adding USB-C connectors to a product is easy, but what do they want it to do? And that's where we really listen to these some of these big and small integrators as to what challenges they were finding in the conference room space, what was working, what wasn't working, what they'd like to see to make the conference room better. And that was really what drove the development of this product. So we kind of talk about it. Probably the majority of the applications call for a very simple point-to-point, just transmitter to receiver. But again, because we chose specifically to do this on SDVoE, one for the bandwidth that you mentioned earlier about being able to support USB 2.0 and HDMI video and all that stuff really can't be done without having that 10 gig bandwidth available, but also the power of SDVoE not only being a great point-to-point solution, but a great networked AV solution as well. So while, like I said, the majority of our customers are excited about this as a point-to-point solution, the ability to scale this and add a 10 gig switch and have multiple transmitters, receivers, or being able to tie this into the rest of their SDVoE IPNinjar system is really powerful, because it just makes everything very simple. Everything's on the network, and you have that freedom to route video freely throughout your campus or your facility. So that's the power of this product here.
Excellent. Yeah, I couldn't have said it better myself. SDVoE is the only technology out there that offers a pristine point-to-point solution for HDMI, but that can also be put on a network. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the demos, Brent. The IDK booth at InfoComm is number 3420, and the SDVoE booth is 3768. So it's a quick walk from one to the other. So everybody should come out, check out the demo, and you can see this conference room on either side at both of those booths.
Perfect. And yeah, we invite everybody to come by and see it and learn more about it. They can check out some of the information on our website as well on these products. And of course, reach out to us if they have questions as well before InfoComm.
Nice. All right. Thanks, Brent. Appreciate your time.
Yeah, thank you.